The tactic used by the star-reading gang stalkers is to inflict the deepest emotional harm possible. As the psychopaths that they are, their primary goal is to manipulate and target emotions, doing everything that they can to trigger a reaction. So like any narcissist, they provoke responses so that when you finally react, whether out of frustration or in defense, they can twist the narrative on you to make you look unhinged or unstable. So how do they achieve this? Through hacking and spying. That's why they always seem to know personal details about your life. They use this information to create manipulative messages that align with your experiences, making it appear as if the readings are intuitive, when in reality, they are carefully designed to gaslight and control the narrative. So for example, last night, I went through a breakup. So who cut the ties? Well, let's wait for the manipulation of the narcissist. Conveniently, the star reader just released this content a while ago, claiming that someone broke up with their spouse due to this wife's controlling behavior. You see, the production of this reading is not a coincidence, and we have to consider the timing. It's a calculated attempt to manipulate my situation and twist the truth. Previously, I have shown evidence of how the star readers engage in triangulation, using a supposed friend to insert as a third party into my relationship dynamic. Well, I never fabricated anything. I simply presented the evidence. And yet, in an effort to antagonize me and paint me as the narcissist, this reader is now spreading lies that I made up stories about this friend taking my partner when all I did was expose their triangulation and how they were doing it. And of course, with what they told me, this friend of mine. So furthermore, this same reader is now falsely implying that the wife was using love spells or potions to control the husband, and is now refusing to let him go, and even saying, the star reader, that the children is not even his. She also accused the wife of punishing people, when in reality, it is this group of narcissist gang stalkers who are covertly harassing me with deception and psychological abuse, who are actually punishing me and torturing me, most likely because I'm speaking about the abuse. This is classic gang stalking, using false narratives to shift blame and demonize a true victim. So they are working to paint the wife as a jealous narcissist while portraying the mistress as the innocent party. But if you look closely and analyze the absurdity of these claims, you will see the clear pattern of targeting at play. And you will understand that in the end, these lies are being spread by a sadistic, covert narcissist and a karmic opportunist who wants to take my role. As to how I see it, this whole deception they pulled on me was a narcissist's final discard, creating illusions to justify his actions, went back just to finish me. But it didn't go as planned, isn't it? So in the end, the truth will come out, backed by evidences. And I guarantee you that you will eat that shit you threw at me. It is a thief, a demonic destiny thief.